Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Brazil, exploring some of the most delectable dishes that South America has to offer. From savory stews to irresistible desserts, Brazilian cuisine is a celebration of bold flavors and vibrant ingredients. Let's discover these culinary delights and learn how to savor the flavors of Brazil. Number 1. Feijoada. Feijoada is a hearty and comforting stew that is considered the national dish of Brazil. It is made with black beans, pork or beef, and an assortment of smoked meats such as bacon, sausage, and ribs. Start by soaking dried black beans in water overnight to soften them. Drain and rinse the beans, then cook them in a large pot with water, onions, garlic, and bay leaves until tender. In a separate skillet, brown the smoked meats until cooked through and caramelized. Add the meats to the pot of beans along with additional seasonings such as cumin, paprika, and pepper. Simmer the feijoada for several hours until the flavors meld together and the stew thickens. Serve it hot with white rice, collard greens, and orange slices for a traditional Brazilian feast. Number 2. Moqueca de peixe. Moqueca de peixe is a flavorful fish stew that hails from the coastal regions of Brazil. It is made with fresh fish, coconut milk, tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cilantro, resulting in a fragrant and delicious dish. Start by marinating fish fillets in lime juice, garlic, and salt for about 30 minutes to infuse them with flavor. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, sauté onions, peppers, and tomatoes until softened. Add coconut milk, fish stock, and seasonings such as paprika, cumin, and coriander to the skillet and bring the mixture to a simmer. Gently add the marinated fish fillets to the skillet and cook until they are opaque and cooked through. Garnish the moqueca de peixe with chopped cilantro and serve it hot with rice and farofa, toasted cassava flour, for a taste of Brazil's coastal cuisine. Number 3. Brigadeiro. Brigadeiro is a beloved Brazilian dessert that is similar to chocolate truffles. It is made with condensed milk, cocoa powder, butter, and chocolate sprinkles, resulting in a sweet and indulgent treat. Start by combining condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook the mixture, stirring constantly until it thickens and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then grease your hands with butter and roll the mixture into small balls. Roll the brigadeiros in chocolate sprinkles to coat them evenly, then place them on a serving platter or in mini cupcake liners. Serve the brigadeiros at room temperature or chilled for a deliciously decadent dessert that is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. These Brazilian culinary delights are a testament to the rich and diverse flavors of South America. By mastering these recipes, you'll be able to experience the vibrant tastes of Brazil and share them with your friends and family. So let's embrace the flavors of Brazil and savor every mouth-watering bite.